Morning, 8:55 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the East Coast in the United States of America. I'm T-Speaker222 with Dogecoin and you, and we're gonna go right through this real quick. Gotta get the kids off to school. So Ethereum, we look like we're on nice little bull flags here. We're hitting support on the 20-day and a lot of things in the 4-hour time frame, and I think a targeted move is coming for Ethereum, probably up to 32.55, if not a little bit more. But that is my targeted move. I feel like we're about to have a targeted move because Bitcoin, I believe, is on a bull flag, and I believe these are about to move up. It's just, we kind of have consolidation, though, because we are a little overextended in the stochastic, but I'm not convinced that this is going to come all the way down. It might come down to about here, 40,698, but this is looking really healthy right now. Like I said, I wouldn't be surprised because of shorter time frames if we did get some kind of pullback, but not a ridiculous one, and it doesn't have to happen. We could literally start a breakout with Bitcoin here shortly. I think we're going to have a targeted move of 42,389. We've had a healthy retrace. Exactly what you need to on a bull flag to push up to the next level. So that's my targeted move. What does that mean for Matic? Matic's at $1.41. And it's just been continuously up this uptrend that I drew out, which means if this can continue, this is range bound, which means it'll end up right about here. Maybe not one. Probably end up here about 148, and then if it holds that as support, that's when you get very interesting. So I said yesterday at $1.38, $1.36, you know, those are opportunities there to likely, you could probably buy. In the 30-minute, we have an engulfing candle, which means we very well might be moving up here. It's just, no, I would say we're probably going to move up a little bit first, and then we might have to come down and consolidate just a tiny bit, but it looks like we're starting something here this morning. It really does. With patience, there'll be a virtue this morning. We had a nice little consolidation dump with Shiba. We need to break 2750 roughly. We got to get out of this this apple in the diamond bottom. And if we don't break this probably on the next attempt up, it's going to be trouble. But I believe we're working our way at least to come up and retest 3007, and I think everybody got a tremendous opportunity this morning to buy this retrace if it's when you find the right spot. So we're getting supported on the 15. So we start to look at the smaller time frames. So where are we at right now? 2670. So we're trying to use all of these 20 days as support. We've come through on the 3-minute. The 1-minute showing probably a retest up here, but we're going to continue to the downside after a retest, it looks like. So the only thing we're doing here is we're probably just going to do what it keeps doing every single time. It'll come from up here at like 2.8, come down to here to 2.645, and then probably bounce back up because it's been doing this exact same thing, because it likes to, if you look at the pattern, up, M, kind of create it down, and then consolidate, up, kind of an M, down, consolidate, refigure, up. It's probably doing the exact same thing as it's been. So that's what we're looking at right now. And then ADA, we've got support at 957. But if we can have a move up like the rest, this targeted move is right where my yellow line is. And then if we break that, we can come up to 98 cents. And then we can move up to the next level. And then Litecoin. Litecoin just looks like machine trading. It's disturbing right now. Like it's literally the machine's trading it. It feels like that's how all of crypto is right now. It's like a machine trade. And then first target you're looking at here is to break out of this area. And you've got something weird building with this. You could have an extended flag here that could end up bringing us back up to 112. Or if it can somehow break out of this area, it's got to come up to 114.5 as the next targeted move, in my opinion. Make sure that like button.